how to upload high quality video on TikTok. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our TikTok app right here. Now, once we open our TikTok app, all you have to do is to just click the plus icon, which is right here on the bottom. So once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to just, of course, upload an image, a video, or you can just take a video right here. So I'm just going to take a video. And then once you are now here, click this more options. So once you click more options right there, just scroll down until you see this allow high quality uploads. Now make sure that it is enabled. So if it is turned on, off, just turn it on right here. Now after that, just click post right there. Once you click that, if you look right here, you should now be able to see a high quality video on TikTok. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to upload high quality video on TikTok.